Today we will be showing you our new collection of Harlembling 1 carat VVS lab diamond clasps. We now have the 8mm, the 10mm, the 12mm, as well as the thickest 14mm. Both the bracelet and the chain are 5 times electroplated in real 14 karat gold for a finish that will last for years to come. Each bracelet, as well as each chain, is marked with a 14 karat logo. The diamonds are extremely realistic and are micro-paved, not glued. Completes a classy and elegant look, which is truly indistinguishable from real solid gold. The 14mm chain weighs almost 300 grams and has a really solid and heavy feel to it. Anytime you order from harlembling.com, you will receive your order in a leatherette gift bag with your new purchase. In addition to the 14 karat, we also have the 18 karat, which is shown to the right. As you can see, the 18 karat is a more rich yellow color, which some people find more appealing. Each of our 18 karat sets is marked with an 18 karat logo.